It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner, and on this video you're going to learn how to make these lovely little Valentine candy boxes. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to use the red acrylic paint, and we're going to paint the paper towel roll. So you're going to fold it in on both sides. Take the doily, and I'm going to put some glue on it. Make sure it sticks down. Then we're going to get the washi tape. Start in the back, go in the front, go around. There we go. I'm going to put a little love on here. There we go, wrap the thread around a few times. Okay. And then we're going to put this little heart on here. Now you can put any kind of decoration you want on here. This is just what I put on there. And this time I had a little pink heart, but I put a little blue one this time. And then the box is all ready for you to put your little candy in. So I have some Valentine candy hearts right here. And we're going to put them inside. And there you have it. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon.